Hey everybody, the purpose of this video is to show you how to use your graphing calculator to find relative extrema of a function. Now in the last video we found zeros of a function and you'll find that the process here is remarkably similar to what we did in that video. So the first thing I need in order to find a relative extrema is I need to have the graph of the function in the calculator. So I did that in the last video, so I'm going to go ahead and just use what I've already got. Remember, you would go to the y equals menu, type it in, and then hit graph. So there's the graph. So this time I want to find the relative extrema. So I'm going to go to this calc menu again, just like I did for the zeros. And you notice here, commands 3 and 4, those are the maximum and minimum commands. So if you want to find a maximum, you choose maximum, obviously minimum. So I'm going to choose this time to do the maximum command. Now, it'll ask the same questions the calculator asked when it was finding the zeros, left bound, meaning you need to move the cursor to the left of that relative maximum. That looks fine. And then right bound, so you have to move the cursor to the right of it. And again, notice these arrows up here, they tell you the x values between which that thing should be trapped, and on Alex it's the green lines that it does that with. So guess, again, you can ignore that. That's just supposedly to speed the calculator up, but it doesn't really do much that we can notice. So I'm going to hit enter. So here's the x value at which the maximum occurs, and here's the y value. Now if you remember, the thing that makes a maximum value is its y. It makes it higher or lower than anything else. So when we write our answer, we would write the relative maximum value is 3.3033, so 3.30, when, or at that an x value of, or at the value of, equals negative 2.9. So 0.29. I can read numbers. So, and that would be the relative maximum value. In order to find the min, we would do the same thing, but go back, do the min command, trap the min between left bound, right bound, ignore the guess, and then when we write our answer down, the minimum value will be the y value, and it occurs at x equals that number. So again, here's the relative max value, here's the value at which it occurs.